Make some noise for Pebbles!
Yo, play them jazz like a star. Them nice. Watch what them can do. Yo, make you wanna enjoy them. Alright, you go over this. Alright, you go over this.
I don't wanna go there.
The last man was stubborn like you. Be a GP mad and a race foul in himself.
Party time, I want the girl them there. Go to the post on the toll and getting million of money. You don't know about me. Something with the friend and all of my clothes. And rich nigga 6 figure where you going. Go to the post on the toll and getting million of money. You don't know about me. Something with the friend and all of my clothes. And rich nigga 6 figure where you going. One of one, she said, make a yard of man. Yeah, I know what I mean. She tell you what the panel. Stop!
People.
Watch them chocolate, yeah?
Me nah go get we never get we.
What the man you make you virus catch him?
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock.
Start it, you know I start it. Come in on the past street. I'm in a come to eat hungry. You run already like real athlete. It shine like drop on Jesus' feet.
You more go for detail. You more go for detail.
All of me not them a other man.
Don't change the subject, you know. I know what you want like say. I change you want change the subject. Hey, how are you?
I thought me a talk about.
Come on, take your time, man. Follow me, I got bikini, say me, I got bikini. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Got bikini, say me, I got bikini. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me. I know me make you laugh, make no money. Nobody watch me, nobody chat me, nobody watch me style and criticize me.
Cut the chat for me, cut the chat for me. Let me say something to that cat here. Excuse me. Yo, yeah man. No man, not you with the Porsche hairstyle. The one beside her with the bottom with cock up like castle living. Yeah, she. Yeah, girlfriend. I want thing one set yesterday.
Instead of a girl leader, give me a little time, a little feature. Under the moonlight, some sense me. Anywhere about me, pretty senorita, the body they a leader.
Everybody get up.
Easy.
We go. Me never travel pan train, but we travel pan player. Image of a main here, so you know the foot player. Yeah, the man I welcome, and you have a come player. If you wanna know if we do it, yeah, then we explain. You must see the net dead, yeah, they need an extra. Them a butter pan catch, extra.
Nothing can go so. Things that my favorite Bruce Lee for nothing. 一样是少林学艺，东边的师傅是怎么教你？
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
Look into my eyes, you will see.
Change your air forward. Quick.
Bomber drop, damn you.
Me wonder if it done a while. Wanna say about Pebbles? You love Pebbles? Wanna say about Pebbles? What does the judges say about Pebbles' performance?
Alright, good night everyone. Alright, Pebbles. Alright, it was an okay performance. I understand that it was a medley of music, however, we would want to see you dance more, you know? Dance out a little bit more, you know? It's too fast for me, you understand? And next time keep the music clean, because we heard it. It's a family show, but it was an okay performance.
So I wanna say, is I go for Pebbles a green light? Green light for Pebbles?
Yeah, it's a go.
Hey, Pebbles! Next, if we have a performer that goes by the name of Nell. Make some noise for Nell. This is 100% talent, and it's different talent all the way. So if you're at home, if you know somebody that can dance, sing,
bounce a ball, kick a ball, it's talent. If you know someone that can ride bicycle extremely well and do tricks, it's talent. So this show is for those kind of performers. Talent overall. Talent unleashed. Alright, so 100% talent. Right now we have Nell. Make some noise for Nell.